Hi, my name is Jacqueline. This is obviously my channel. This is really out of character because I normally make guided meditations and meditation music, but I am also an animal activist, self-proclaimed. No, I'm vegan, and I love animals. Oh,
Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Look at that face.
And, you know, I would like to reduce the suffering and the pain that we're causing to them. So, whenever I find something that I'm very passionate about, I thought, well, why not share it with my audience? Just so you guys know, I'm not promoted by this company, Halo. This is just totally me being passionate about it. I do, however, have an affiliate link in the description box for the products, but I genuinely am so passionate about this for many reasons. Now, number one, I do believe that there is a link between being vegan and spirituality, because for me, spirituality is about healing, about evolution, about doing better for our fellow human, planet Earth, and fellow family, which to me are also animals. So for me, it's all intertwined and linked. And when I discovered this product, Halo, I was super excited about it because I have two dogs. So this is Peter. He's the new rescue. And then Keats, come up. Come here. And this is Keats, my first rescue. So Keats actually has had a lot of stomach problems. He throws up sometimes when he eats the wrong thing, and has just basically had a lot of stomach problems. So I kind of thought of it kind of like humans, right? I'm like, well, obviously it's something to do with his food, because every time he ate something, he would have stomach problems. So if you have a dog out there that throws up a lot, that has a lot of stomach problems, this product, I'm telling you, will definitely help them. Are you done? If you're gonna have stomach problems, it's obviously related to food. Now, dogs are omnivores, which means they eat both vegetables and meat. Now, I'm not gonna tell you whether you should make your dogs 100% vegan. This is something myself that I'm kind of trying to figure out whether it's right or wrong for them. However, we can begin to help them a little bit and implement a little bit more of healthy vegan food, because it's not going to hurt them. If anything, it's going to be really good for them. So anyway, getting to the point. So Halo is a brand. I've been desperate to find something that they could eat that was, you know, plant-based and not just meat, because number one, I felt bad just giving them meat. I assumed it wouldn't be good for their stomach. And number two, I wanted to give them something that, you know, made me feel good about giving them to. And once again, saving the planet, helping all the animals, factory farming. Highly encourage all of you, by the way, to do your research on it and to really educate yourself on this topic, because it's that rabbit hole. Once you start going down that rabbit hole, you find things, you discover things. It's just so heartbreaking and devastating what's happening and what we're doing to each other, not just on a physical level, but also as a spiritual. They're playing. Also on a spiritual level. Being sensitive and being an empath and doing the work that I do, there is a connection between how we treat Mother Earth, how we treat the animals, and how we treat each other. And unfortunately, people don't see this. It's very difficult to get people to see this. Also, you're programmed in a certain way, so it's really hard to introduce new habits, new behaviors. You know, just start implementing more vegetables. There's so many plant-based options right now, and everybody's being more and more educated about what's out there. There's a ton of also like documentaries out there, and one of my favorite ones is The Game Changer, because it scientifically proves to you as to why the vegan diet is better than the carnivore diet. And on top of that, a lot of athletes are turning to a vegan diet. Anyway, so back down to the products. So Halo, they don't specifically do just vegan stuff. They also have, I believe, normal dog food stuff, which includes beef and pork and all those poor things. But okay, so my favorite treat to give them, it's this one. It's called Garden of Vegan. Very funny. And I've noticed that, you know, their ingredients are really good. It's pretty clean for the most part. This one has ground peas, ground peanuts, chickpeas, potato flour, pumpkin, sunflower oil, and tomatoes, cranberries, apples, and sweet potatoes. Now, Keats is very picky. He will not just eat anything, and he loves these. And, you know, I break them up and I give it to them, and they don't seem to have any stomach problems. There are other treats that I do give him, and he actually sometimes throws up because of the fat in those treats. So I highly recommend this. As I said, link in the description box. Now, for the kibble. This stuff is gold. I mean, Keats will not eat kibble in general. Like, he hates kibble. Any other kibble, he will literally not eat it. So when I found this, I thought, okay, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna, you know, spend another whatever amount of money, which is even not that expensive. I think it's like $18, $20 for this. Maybe even cheaper. So what's so great about this, it has probiotics. So obviously it's plant-based, no corn, wheat, or soy, no GMO ingredients, and no artificial flavors, preservatives, or colors. So this is actually really good for their gut health as well, and he loves this stuff. It has apples, chickpeas, peas, oats, blueberries, carrots. I mean, it's just the best thing. I mean, I almost want to eat it. I'm not going to eat it. Will I? Yeah, so all the ingredients and all the information is here. Also, check out other people's reviews about it. Now, I do think that Halo has made a canned wet food, vegan wet food. Now, surprisingly, Keats and Peanut both ate it, but it looks really gross. Yeah. But they ate it, so I think maybe do your research online. There's a ton of, I actually started noticing there's quite a few people online showing you how to do really healthy, at-home vegan dog food. This stuff, I always mix it with his food in the morning and at night. Yeah, I really just wanted to come on my channel and promote these products because I'm very passionate about it and I'm super excited about it, and I thought, how else also can I expand my channel and reach my audiences? And I thought this was another way to do it, is to show products out there that I believe in, that I support, and that I think are better for the planet and for each other. All right, well, that's it. That was quite a ramble, but as I said, I hope that your dog enjoys them as much as mine. As always, have an amazing day, week, month, whatever it is, and I'll talk to you soon.